was going to bring it with a pallet jack, but that's a little too much work. So I said I'm going to put my bag of skills to the test. So I got to keep my bag of skills sharp. And went ahead and took it and rode with it. Racetrack had that $3.99, but today it's $3.95. A whole 4 cents difference. All right, so I'm guessing he's taking it right. He missed the turn to go in the. He needs diesel. 45 through here. I'm only doing 35 because the truck in front of me going slow. It takes them a little while to get up to speed, but also there's a lot of DOT and state police and local cops that patrol this area. I don't know if it was Wednesday or Thursday. I think it was, yeah, it was Wednesday. Had a major accident out here. Ford on Ford hate crime. And that's a truck stop to the right. That's the TA. Anyway, Ford F-150 was put up on this side, on the shoulder of the westbound lanes. I'm in the eastbound lanes, and they had a Ford Flex or something like that in the median, sticking his nose partially into the left lane, the eastbound lane. All destroyed. And it was barely even raining that day. Yeah. Had to go to Hammond, make a delivery, and all the way to Columbus, Mississippi to make a pickup. Which, yeah, it sucked because no interstate to get to that part of Columbus, Mississippi. All back roads, all kind of little narrow roads. Right here was an accident. Anyway, the roads were so narrow they didn't even have the white lines. It was real bad, especially going around in blind curves and stuff. I'm glad nobody was really behind me going through there because I was creeping around in curves. And I didn't want somebody flying around because I was partially in their lane, trying to keep from going in the ditch on the right side of me. Almost at the end of my run. Left to the red light, we got a marijuana dispensary. If y'all partake, I don't. back from Hammond, part of it, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Later.